What's going on, business owners? One of the most important things that you can work on to help with your search engine optimization, with also making possible clients and clients that you have aware of what's going on with your business, is utilizing your Google My Business platform. What is Google My Business? So, when you are a business, this is where you get Google reviews. This is where you're able to interact and answer them. You're also able to fill in pictures and videos of your business and control that content, as opposed to if you do not claim it, anybody gets to add photos that Google approves. They get to add business hours. They get to add your information. So how do you feel about somebody other than you controlling your content? Let that sink in for a minute. So, if you need help with your Google My Business, 1, you can Google it. 2, you can have your niece or nephew who play around with Facebook and social media do it. Or 3, you can save yourself time and whatever the money it is that it's costing you to not control your content and lose out on business, you could hire a professional. So if you're not hiring me, make sure you hire a professional. If not, it's your business. Do what you want. But here's a little information about how to play around with Google My Business.
So here we have the back end of Google My Business. We've got Red Bearded Marketing here. So you can go in, you can do posts, you can do COVID updates for what's going on right now. You can do ad offers if you're selling things. You can just do a plain update. You can add events, you can add products. So there are a ton of tools. I post a lot of my YouTube videos that help with the search engine ranking for those keywords. But really important is just controlling your information. This is super, super important as a local business and an international business or national business. So right here, view on maps, view in search, you can put in what your categories are as a business, your address, service area, you've got hours. You want to make sure you have control of this because people can just change your hours. You've got contact information, appointment links, again, more services. You've got a little bit of information on what you do. You can add pictures. So let's say you just redid the inside of your house or whatever it may be. I have snapshots of websites I've done, completed for people to see. You can add video, you can add interior of your business. So this breaks it up by what I've posted. You can also see what other people have posted. So this was where my office used to be in Pottstown. Again, you have a bunch of other uses. This is how you can add somebody, like, let's say you hire me. You can go in and add me to be a admin on your account to make sure everything is set up correctly and to utilize it for social media marketing. So there's a lot in this back end. I don't want to go over all of it in one shot, but you can also check out your reviews. You can go in and thank people. You can go in and just bounce back and forth with comments. And actually, this is very important as well because if you know what you're doing, you can help yourself with keywords and search engine optimization just with your reviews alone. So if you have any questions, give the Beard a call.
So that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with another business owner. More importantly, they need help. We all need help. It's a crazy world. The more help we give to each other, the better. So have a great day, and don't forget the beard.